You see, that Miguel Jaikisan re, you know who, no? Crazy fellow man, used to sing and dance. Now I remembered his name, Michael Jackson. He was always irritating me, saying that I am his best friend. When he used to come to Goa, I used to take him to Cafe Bosle for patad bhaji, and in the night we used to go to the gadas to eat roast omelette. Day and night, Murray used to make me teach him to dance. He had this bad habit, of walking backwards by scraping his feet on the floor. One day, my maid Shantabai did not come to work only at my house. So you see, I put a wet towel under Michael's feet on the floor and told him, now walk backwards all over the house.